Good day, everyone. Today we are going to discuss a design pattern called post redirect get pattern or PRG pattern. So here is the kind of the scenario. Let's say a user has created a new record or maybe update a new record and or delete a new record from your table on the browser. And then if your app did not design properly during the transition to the next web page, then when the user click the refresh button after the deletion or updating, then it might create a problem like this. So let me show you the scenario. Okay, yeah. So I have a kind of full-blown CRUD app created already, and I try to keep it simple. It's about a book database, has book ID and book title. That's all. And then let me run the application right now. Okay, yeah. So it's loading, and then let me move the browser into the screen, and then assume that I'm going to create a new record, and then again keep it simple. Maybe just call it programming one, yeah, for example, and click create. And so far so good. I mean, first page got created, and then first book got created, and let me maybe try programming two, right? Okay, and create. So far so good, and even I click the refresh button. I mean, no problems at all. Okay, so this is the perfect condition. The reason is that in my book controller, for the create post method, after I kind of save the record to the database, I use the redirection to back to the index method. So let me show you that if I do not do that, then what kind of trouble I might get into it. So let's say assume that I'm going to kind of kind of return the view. Okay, let me give me a minute. Okay, so let me do this bar, and then let me call it books. Okay, then I use the context dot books. Okay, yeah, and then get dot to list method. Okay. To get a list of books, to get the list of books, and then I send this a book as a parameter into my view function, and then again the view I will be using will be the index view. Okay, yeah, you will list all the books, and then the model or parameters will be the book. Okay, the books. Okay, yeah, a list of books. So let's see that what's going to happen. Okay, yeah. Since over here again, I do not use the redirection after I save the data. Okay, yeah. So let me run it. Okay. Okay, so it's loaded, and then let me create a new book. Let me call this one programming 3. Okay, yeah, programming 3. Okay, and then click create. Okay, so far so good. But if I click the refresh button, okay, boo, wow. I mean, it showed this message, conform from a resubmission, the page that you are looking for, use information that you entered already, do you want to continue? Let's see what is going to happen if I click the continue button. Oh, wow. I mean, the same book got entered again. And then if I do the refresh again, and then click continue, oh, wow. I mean, that's problem. This is bad, right? This is bad. You don't want that to happen. Yeah. So how do we prevent it? So to prevent it, then you again, you can use this. PG, PRG pattern, post redirect to a get method. Okay, so let me kind of comment it out. The problem statements. So let me get back to this redirect to the get action. Okay, so actually it redirect to the index get action method, and then you will go to the database to retrieve all the book information. Okay, so they see that if I again kind of create a new book, and then when I click the refresh button, let's see whether we can prevent that situation being happen again. Okay, so let me try maybe data structures. Okay, a database will be easier. Database, okay, database one, okay, for example, okay, create. All right, and then if I click the refresh button, okay, I mean nothing happened. Okay, so again, this one shows that how you can prevent a potential problem like this when user kind of click the submit button to either create a new record or update a new record or delete a new record. Okay, so here again is another, here is the one I just showed it to you. Okay, but then the same approach, again, the same approach can be used on delete action method or edit action method is all good. Okay, so this is the index method, index action method based on the get request. And then again, if you look at the code generated by the software on this book controller, then you can see that for the let me see, for the create post method. Okay, yeah, even the get create method, you kind of use the redirection. The edit. You kind of use the give me a minute. Let me expand it. Yeah, for the edit post. Then after it has done the update. Okay, after it had done update, then use the redirect to action method. Okay, so again, this is the delete redirect to action method. So again, so when you design your application, please do take into this post redirect get action method pattern. Okay, all right. Okay, so I hope that this is useful to you. Okay, let me stop the video.